Another objection that some of the atheists mentioned is like, okay, what about all of these people that never heard about Islam, they never heard about the Prophet ﷺ, and they are suffering in this life? Can they go to paradise and so on? Allah Azza wa Jalla says in the Quran, وَمَا كُنَّا مُعَذِّبِينَ حَتَّى نَبْعَثَ رَسُولًا. We will never punish anyone except that we have sent a messenger or the message. So if a person does not hear about Islam, does not hear about the message, or that he hears about Islam in a wrong way, he hears about
negative way, like you do in the media.
Yeah, Islam is a terrorist religion, stay away from that. He never heard about what really Islam is. Then no, we don't say that he will be punished in the next life. So if you look at that, you can see a lot of people, they might be suffering, they never heard about Islam, but in the end, it might be that they will go to paradise too. So if we could see that in this big picture, I think it helps us a lot. At the same time, I think it's very important to say that when we are speaking about this thing now, we're speaking about it in a theological way. That does not mean that we should not strive to help people that are suffering. So we say, okay, it's just suffering, it's no problem. No, we should really strive. We as Muslims, we should believe in God, that this is from the hikmah and wisdom of Allah. And at the same time, we should strive to help people in need. One of the 5 pillars of Islam is giving zakat. And giving zakat, if you look at the different persons you can give zakat to, it's actually, many of them are people that have problems, suffering, starvation, they are poor, and so on. And with our zakat, we should help them. There are many verses in the Quran about sadaqah too, and helping people that are needy and relieving them from hardships and so on. And we can actually see that Muslims are excelling in this issue. I read an article in Huffington Post, and according to a poll, there they say that Muslims in Britain are those who give most charity, and actually atheists are those who give the smallest amount of charity.
I read it in the front page of the Times. It said, of all the groups, religious groups, social groups in the United Kingdom, Muslims are by far the most generous in charity and giving to others, and giving to the poor, and so on. It's a fact. Yeah,
I think it's very interesting here because, first of all, Muslims throughout history did not really have problems with what is called the problem of evil, and at the same time, they don't have problem to reconcile between it and to help people that are suffering by giving charity and so on. So it's a very balanced view on theology and how to act in life.